At Nycote Laboratories, we understand the need to protect high-value electronics from harsh environments, so we created Nyform. Nyform is a high-performance, clear, ultra-thin nylon epoxy conformal coating that meets standard IPC-CC-830 qualifications. Nyform is a non-conductive dielectric layer applied to printed circuit board assemblies to protect electronics from damage. This proprietary coating ensures your PCBs and other sensitive electronics perform better in severe conditions with long-lasting protection free from cracking, delamination, bubbles, and pinholes. With a secure yet flexible three-dimensional barrier that completely encapsulates the product from the environment, this coating averts chemicals, moisture, dirt, extreme temperatures, and excessive vibration. Nyform is capable of adhering to multiple substrates, is stronger than acrylic conformal coatings, but is easier to remove than epoxy and paraxylene products, and can also be removed with Nycote's non-toxic remover, Nygone. With this easy-to-use one-part solution, Nyform protects your assets, products, and sensitive electronics to overcome your material limitations with self-leveling technology for 100% product encapsulation. With over 60 years of innovation, at Nycote Laboratories, we continue to focus on keeping people and products safe from land to sea to sky and space. Contact us today to learn more about the Nycote Advantage and how Nyform can help protect your assets.